Hey guys, today we're gonna be making lemon chicken. This is for 6 chicken chops because I was making dinner for my peeps, so I'll adjust it to 1 or 2 below. So we're gonna start by making our marinade. We're gonna do 6 cloves of garlic. Do note, more is better. When you crush garlic, you release this compound called allicin, and that's what gives the garlic its bite and a lot of health benefits. Just don't expect to be kissing anyone after having it like this. Next up, you want to slice and juice up 4 fresh lemons. This ingredient is really vital because it's in the name of the dish. Unfortunately for me, I only had 1 3/4 of a lemon, so I really had to get every ounce I could out. Now we're going to throw in some Evo, and then some whole grain mustard, the best kind of mustard. Now we're going to toss in some chili flakes, pepper and salt, and some oregano. Fresh would have been better. And then you get your little galaxy going, and then you set it aside. Now let's talk meat. You gotta tenderize them. Grab a mallet, a rolling pin, a fork, even your fist, and give it some solid hits. Tenderizing breaks down the fibers, making it super juicy and helps it soak whatever you give. And don't skip this. Tenderizing is what takes your chicken or any meat from to good. Now mix your meat with your marinade and let that sit for about an hour or 2, but no longer than that, because you don't want that lemon to break it down too much. Now in a medium to high heat pan, throw on your meats. This is a little tight for 6 pieces of meat, but it kind of made it work. So you want to sear both sides for about 5 minutes each. After searing both sides, I add in a cup of beef broth. This keeps the chicken moist while adding some richness to the dish. And if you wanted to, you could just throw in a cup of water just to get more sauce out of it all. So in total, this is going to be on the stove, including the searing, for about 30 minutes. And then even after that, you want to leave it on for about 10 minutes just to let it soak up everything. Now we're going to throw in some spring onions as a little garnish. It was really delicious. It had a real homey feeling to it. So do give it a shot.